So while doing the trees, you can take any type of brush, but let it be the fine one. In case of flat brush also, it should be the fine one. I mean the smallest number, 2 number or 4 number, which is like this, something like this. And in case of round brush also, it will be 2, 4 or 6 is number. I don't want very thin one like 000 or the other one. That much thin is not required. This kind of brush is enough for making the tree part. So now let's try to make the color. For color we would require some dark. Our landscape is of a dark mode. Okay, it's a night scene. So if you see over here, it is not a bright green that I have used. It's very dull sap green, very dark in nature, because light is not falling like the light would have been fall in case of daylight. Fine. Here also if you see, it's in almost in dark position and very dark green is applied. This is almost black, but it is not black, it is dark brown actually. In nature colors are there, but it is not proper black. They are a greenish black, it will be bluish black, reddish black, brownish black, but not a very prominent black, because black is very opaque and it makes your painting very dull. Fine, is it clear? So we will first prepare this shade. So this shade we can prepare by taking green directly, thoda sa green, little bit of green you take it. Okay, can you see I have taken green. I have this shade. You can have a green shade which is lighter to this, or that can be a little darker to this. Okay, whichever green you have, just take that green. And now I'll take a little bit of black. So after I'll put the black over here. Don't put black directly over here, because you don't know how much black will you require. Otherwise it will become complete dark green. We don't want in that way. It should be a blackish green. And then I can add a little brown to it, little dark blue to it. Whichever colors you have, you can add accordingly. सो थोड़ा सा मैंने और ब्राउन निकाल लिया यहाँ पे. And what I said, I would be requiring blue. So I would require some blue over here. Always take out the colors in this way and then make it. It's very easier for you. Your bottle will remain very safe. You'll dip n number of times brush in it and all the colors will become muddy. So to avoid all these things, it's better to take out the colors. Now let's try to make the desired shade. So as this is our green that I'm going to use, I'll take this green over here. Fine, can you see I've taken this. I'll take the black, I'll take little bit of brown, and I'll take blue also, and I will mix everything together. Can you see the color that I got over here? This was the pure green which I was having earlier, and after mixing all the colors together, this is what I got. This is not a black. A black is this. So if you see, it is looking like a black, almost like this, but this is greenish black. So now I will take this in the brush. ठीक है, मैंने ब्रश के ऊपर लिया. First I am going to teach you this one, this tree, this Ashoka kind of an effect. Okay, mostly we find this kind of trees in cold region. Okay, so आपको ड्रॉ करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट very diligently use your tip of the brush. I will show you the same tree with pointed brush also, so don't worry. See, very sharply I am using the Can you see how it is looking? I have not drawn anything. थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ पे in the middle I'll just take randomly like this. Okay, so that my tree will come like this, just for the assumption. Just you have to work very nicely with your tip. Then I'll take the brown color, little bit of brown color, and I'll put it like this. Is it looking like a tree which is like this? Little triangular. If you see properly, it is little triangular like this. Very thin at the top and slowly like a triangle formation. Then you can put other shades also, like little bit of brown I can put in between to make it more natural. उसी में मैंने ब्राउन अलग से किया, आपको अलग से दिखेगा भी नहीं. You can't distinguish it. See, little bit of brown over here, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे डाला है. So this is the first type of tree. If you see properly, the same thing I did over here. See, this tree over here and this is similar. अब थोड़ा मुझे highlight बढ़ाना अगर है, I will take this green. I want अगर मुझे हाईलाइट बढ़ा, ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. If light is falling from up, maybe the moon का light, तो at least it will fall somewhere over here, यहाँ तक थोड़ा थोड़ा. So if you can see, आपको भी पेंटिंग में प्रोमिनेंसी थोड़ा टॉप में ही दिख रहा है. Here the leaves are not that visible at down part. It's completely dark everywhere in the valley, in the mountain side, but little bit of light can be put over here at the top. So with the same methodology and with the same perspective, okay, same perspective से हम थोड़ा सा little bit of, I'll just in, so I am not adding light green anything in the color, just the fresh green which I was having, I am putting it somewhere at the top. And I am using the same brush with the same tip. That's it. I am not coming down. I'll just put it over here only. थोड़ा सा आप चाहो तो कहीं कहीं थोड़ा हल्का सा, very little, not much. That's it. So that it looks natural. So this tree is done over here. Okay. So I'm now stopping. And now you all try to do this and show it to me.